Today we are talking about something really important, very serious, timely, but we're going to do it in a really fun way. Stand up.
Utilizing massive amounts of participation, energetic performer David Jack tackles an important subject in an outrageously funny and innovative way with his show, Stand Up, Step In, Stop Bullying.
Bullying is when a stronger, more powerful person hurts or scares a smaller or weaker person on purpose. It can be once, it can be over and over and over.
This show has it all.
It doesn't matter what a person looks like. It matters how they act. Come on, let's say it together. It doesn't matter what a person looks like. It matters how they... So, say you know a cute, adorable little girl. She's got the cutest stuffed animal, and she hits her friends. And she pushes her friends. And she teases her friends. And she leaves her friends out of games. Is she a bully? If she does all those things, I think she's a bully. So
Armed with his hilarious sidekick, Cosmo, David Jack helps clarify how to recognize bullying and helps identify whether you're contributing to the bullying by just being a bystander.
who can guess which is a bully?
I can guess, Dave.
All right, Cosmo, which is the bully?
This one.
Which one? Give me a label on him so I know what we're talking about. Is he right? Okay, good. Now, in a bullying situation, there's always the bully. Come on, say it. Now, the person being bullied has a name. Let's see if we can learn the name of that person. Don't call it out. Don't call it out. Blue shirt, tell me. The victim.
It's a tough subject, but handled in a humorous and extremely useful manner with songs, dances, and games.
I thought we could play a little game. This is what we're going to do.
Great. Woo! A game show, a game show. I love that.
No, we're not. We're not doing it. Cosmo.
It's a high-energy, fun-packed show that teaches lessons that kids need now more than ever.
I knew Ricky was a bully the moment I saw him blank. The new kid in our class. Yes, tell me. Punch. That would not be nice. Is that bullying? All right, let's see if it works. I knew Ricky was a bully the moment I saw him punch the new kid in our class. Show me punch. Number one answer is punch or hit. Yes.
Don't miss out on Stand Up, Step In, Stop Bullying.
Watch out for each other. Take care of each other. Support each other. And if we're nicer to each other, then we're going to cut down on bullying right away, and we're going to feel better about ourselves.